Installing the flush mount box. Firstly, depending on where the cable arrives at the box, we make the corresponding adaptations. We break the pre-punched holes to make inlets for the different types of cable. Thanks to the translucent material of the box, we can see inside the wall. On masonry, we turn the box and present it to the wall to mark it with a pencil or tool. We mark the four corners of the box on the wall using a level to get it properly leveled. For installation on a plasterboard wall, once the four holes have been drilled, we cut the perimeter with a jigsaw. We then present the box to the hole, passing the cabling through the most appropriate punched hole, and secure the electric cables with a flange to prevent pulling from the other end of the cable, which can remove wires from terminals. Using a screwdriver, we turn the fastening clips so that they are at a 90-degree angle and carry on screwing until the clip fixes to the thickness of the plasterboard. For installation on masonry walls, after the plaster has been introduced into the hole in the wall, we present the box, passing the cabling through the most appropriate hole. We then turn the clips so that they are at an angle of 90 degrees and firmly fixed to the plaster. We check it is properly level on the wall. To protect the inside of the box during works, we fit the protective cover supplied until the plastering or painting has finished. Now, to finish off, we can cover the sides of the box with plaster. Installing the electrical sockets. We begin by clipping the electrical sockets to the frames, and we link them together, joining them to form a group. In this case, we will install sockets not protected by UPS, so we will connect them together using an electrical link. Step 1. We take the part with 4 inlets and link the sockets, following this diagram, to first connect the lives and neutrals. Step 2. We take the 2 inlet part to link the earths of the 2 bases, following this diagram so that the earth connections are underneath. Thanks to the innovation terminal connected by cutting system, we can carry out this operation without stripping or twisting the wire, considerably reducing installation time. We simply introduce the wire into the terminal opening and tighten the fixing levers until we hear a click. We repeat the process with the remaining wire, following the installation indications that appear noted on the electrical socket. Once the base terminals are connected, we proceed to connect the metal divider plate. To install it correctly, we take the earth cable supplied and connected to the terminals on the last socket. Finally, we clip all the electrical sockets to the box using the fixing clips on the frames. When the IT connectors are crimped, we proceed to clip them to the plate. We follow the diagram displayed, and we fix the connector to the plate starting at the back of the plate and from the top down. We now take a voice and data plate and present it to the frame on either of the 2 sides, left or right. We repeat the same operation depending on the number of connectors we have on the plate. If we need to install classes higher than 6A with flat voice and data plates, we can use the depth expander. Maximum voice and data transmission reliability. Once the installation is complete, it simply remains to fix the trim frame. We present the frame to the box and press all over the surface, while taking special care with the 4 corners. Cima 500 Cima, always one step ahead.